What is up, everybody? It's your boy Chris Cage coming at you 2 times, and it's now time for the final race of 2020. Not the final race, but the final race of 2020 overall. We're still on the Super 6 lane, but we see the finish line has been raised up a little bit. And it's because of one thing. I have more of these off camera, but it's time for the final Monster Truck Challenge of 2020. Now, when 2021 arrives, everything is going to be migrated to Hot Wheels All-Out Competition. So what that means is that everything will be in Hot Wheels All-Out Competition. But before we get to that, look at all these monster trucks out here that are going to get ready to race. And as I said, there are more off camera, but we're going to see who's going to become the final Monster Truck Challenge winner of 2020. Best of luck to all the monster trucks, and it's time now to begin the first round as we kick off this challenge. For the last time in this year, you know what's going on.
Hot Wheels racers, pick your lane.
Round 1, and it's time now to begin with your first 3 monster trucks getting ready to race.
Winner, lane 5.
It goes to Skeleton Crew. Here comes your next 3.
Winner, lane 3.
It goes to the monster truck in the middle called Abysmal in its Frozen livery. Alright guys, here comes your next race.
Winner, lane 1.
Never seen a buried like that. Your winner is Mega Rex. Here's your next race.
Winner, lane 3.
We'll Trash It All gets the win. Here comes the next matchup.
Winner, lane 1.
Winner is the Bone Shaker. Here comes your next race.
Winner, lane 1.
It goes to the Bone Shaker. Alright, next matchup.
Winner, lane 3.
It goes to this Spider-Man vehicle. I think it's an Iron Spider. Here comes your next race.
Winner, lane 3.
Lane 3 goes to the Hot Wheels Special Forces car. Here comes your next race.
Winner, lane 3.
It goes to this car doing a stoppie here, and that is 5 Alarm. Here comes your next matchup.
Winner, lane 3.
Donkey Kong. Here comes your next matchup.
Winner, lane 1.
The Frozen version of the Roger Dodger. Here's your next set of 3. It goes to the black and white Mega Rex. Here comes your next race.
Winner, lane 6.
Stars and Stripes are plain and bright, just like America, which is gonna be all right. Can somebody say random selection? We got 2 different invaders on the track. We haven't seen a Hot Wheels car yet ever since 2015, so we better hope that will be coming back soon. But let's see who wins this one.
Winner, lane 3.
Demolition Derby version of Invader gets the win. Here we go. Next race. The Hound Hauler gets the win. Here comes your next 3.
Winner, lane 1.
I know I am completely retired, but I know that one day I will possibly come out if Vince tells me to. And once again, they will all rest in peace. But for now, I must rest in peace. Without the way, the Skeleton Crew got the win, and Roman Reigns won't have to worry about being acknowledged as the tribal chief. Oh. Anyway, Skeleton Crew gets the win. Here comes your next race. That Dodge Charger gets the win. Here comes your next matchup.
Winner, lane 3.
We have another Invader moving on. All right, here comes your next matchup.
Winner, lane 3.
It goes to the Fire Starter, aka Janine, in a monster truck form. Here comes your next matchup.
Winner, lane 3.
From a Fire Starter to a Scorcher, we got ourselves 2 flaming hot monster trucks in the same heat. Here comes your next matchup.
Winner, lane 5.
It goes to... Is this called Mega Rex again? That's what it looks like, but it looks like a really cooler version of Mega Rex. Here comes the next race.
Winner, lane 3.
This is Smash Squatch. Please check the watch. Here comes your next race.
Winner, lane 1.
What? Your winner is the Stone Cold Steve Austin 316. Gonna whoop your ass. Monster truck. Here comes your next race.
Winner, lane 1.
No! This is Patrick! And I got the win! Alright guys, next race.
Winner, lane 1.
Local Punk gets the win. Alright, here is your next race.
Winner, lane 1.
Hot Wheels Delivery gets the win. Here comes your next matchup.
Winner, lane 5.
Then another Mega Rex gets the win here. Look how cool this one looks. Alright, next matchup.
Winner, lane 5.
It goes to the Pure Muscle Camouflage truck. Next race, guys.
Winner, lane 1.
The inaugural winner, Pure Muscle, gets the win. Next matchup, and look at this. Random selection. Sandwiched between 2 V8 bombers, one in green and one in this unpainted color.
Winner, lane 5.
One of them had to win, and it was the unpainted V8 bomber. Here is your next race.
Winner, lane 1.
To go with the Red Hulk, we got Hulk moving on. Hulk, win! Here comes your next race.
Winner, lane 3.
How, y'all? Here comes your next race.
Winner, lane 3.
Zombie Rex. Next matchup. With all that fire in one of them heats, we got 32 degrees to stop the whole fire brigade. All right, next matchup.
Winner, lane 5.
Motosaurus gets the win. Second to the last race. It goes to the number 52 Demolition Derby truck. Here comes your final race. Time to see who will move on to the next round.
Winner, lane 5.
We got another Dodge Charger moving on. Now we did have another monster truck sitting around, but since it's the only one left, we're gonna give it a pass. And whoever wins this heat right here will get the ultimate pass, as basically these monster trucks right here will have to race in the next round after the other round that comes after round number 2. So here are all the monster trucks, and round number 2 will begin right after this. Round 2, everybody. Here is your first matchup.
Winner, lane 1.
It goes to freezing point. Next matchup.
Winner, lane 1.
Hulk, win again! Here comes your next race. Well, we know who's not going to win, but we do know who's going to win, and that's the V8 Bomber. All right, next matchup.
Winner, lane 3.
Hot Wheels Delivery. Or in my mind, every time I order something from Amazon Delivery. As a matter of fact, Amazon and Hot Wheels should partner up and do an Amazon Delivery monster truck. I wonder how that will look like. Here comes your next matchup.
Winner, lane 1.
It is Smash Squatch. Still check the watch. Here comes your next matchup.
Winner, lane 5.
It goes to Megarex, which beat out them 2 fiery vehicles. Here comes the next race. It goes to Invader. Here comes your next matchup.
Winner, lane 5.
Hound Hauler again gets the win. All right, next race.
Winner, lane 3.
It goes to Roger Dodger in that Frosty gimmick, or Frosty paint job. Here comes your next matchup.
Winner, lane 3.
Hot Wheels Special Forces gets the win. All right, guys, here comes your next matchup.
Winner, lane 5.
Bone Shaker went out and went fast on that track. Here comes your next matchup. Or no, second to the last matchup, I meant.
Winner, lane 3.
The Frosty Abysmal. Whoever wins between these two will get a pass into the finals. Let's see who it'll be.
Winner, lane 4.
It will be the Dodge Charger. So, with that getting a pass, here are your remaining 12 monster trucks that are going to race in round number 3. And round number 3 will be coming up right after this. Third round here. We got three trucks, 1 winner. Let's go!
Winner, lane 3.
Never count out the Bone Shaker, as he gets the win. Next race.
Winner, lane 1.
Invader. Second to the last race.
Winner, lane 1.
Hot Wheels Delivery. Here comes the final 3. Time to see who'll move on to the finals.
Winner, lane 1.
I don't know who was in what spot, but I think it was 32 degrees in this spot. If you believe it's something different, then we'll probably do an impromptu rematch somewhere down the line. But here are all the monster trucks that have moved on to the finals. Don't have to be no passing, or don't have to be no castings getting the pass this time, because we can just race these groups one-on-one. Or we can just race these groups, and then after that, basically just have a gauntlet race, just like that. So yeah, no passing involved here. Finals will be coming up next. Alright, finals. First up, we have this heat, and then another heat to go. Before we begin, the gauntlet.
Winner, lane 3.
Goes to Hot Wheels Delivery. Now we wait for the next heat. Alright, so now that we have these two right here, now it's time to see which one of these two are going to take on Hot Wheels Delivery to become the final Monster Truck Challenge winner. It will be the Bone Shaker. So, Bone Shaker, Hot Wheels Delivery. They were the first of the first Hot Wheels monster trucks, and now they're going to face off against each other in today's gauntlet. Time for the gauntlet to begin. First one to win 2 races back-to-back becomes the Monster Truck Challenge 4th edition winner.
Winner, lane 5.
Alright, so Bone Shaker has done it, so we have to see if he can do it again. Alright guys, if Bone Shaker wins this race, then he becomes your Monster Truck Challenge winner. If not, we are forced into a split. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we have ourselves a winner today, and it is Bone Shaker. One of the first monster trucks has decided to get it done today, which means it's the 4th and final ever Monster Truck Challenge winner. And with that, he'll be going on to the Hot Wheels Finals to possibly become the fastest monster truck of 2020. Best of luck to him. And that will do it for the final Monster Truck Challenge ever. I hope you liked this video. Give it a thumbs up. Comment down below. If you're watching this, if you're brand new watching this, be sure to subscribe and also turn on the notifications bell as well. It's your boy Chris Cage. I'm coming at you 2 times, and we will see you at the next video.